Experiencing frequent disconnections with your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router? You're not alone. The primary culprits are often outdated firmware and interference. First, ensure your router has the latest firmware. Log into your router's web interface, usually 192.168.0.1, or use the Spectrum app to check for and install updates. These updates contain critical stability patches that address known disconnection issues. If the firmware is current, version 3.1.0.2 or higher, the next step is to address interference. Interference from microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks on the same channels can cause signal drops. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify less congested channels, particularly in the 5 GHz band, which offers wider channels and less overlap. Position your router away from metal objects and appliances that can obstruct the signal. For persistent issues, consider a wired backhaul for extenders. For example, in an urban apartment complex, users experienced a drop in disconnect rates after firmware update and channel optimization. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the disconnections, consider these advanced steps. Enable quality of service (QoS) in your router settings to prioritize bandwidth for critical applications like gaming or video conferencing. This prevents other devices from hogging the connection. If issues persist, consider upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6E router, which utilizes the 6 GHz band to avoid congestion in the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. Spectrum is increasingly integrating AI-driven channel selection in their routers to automatically optimize performance based on real-time conditions. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi 7 technology promises even greater interference resistance through multi-link operation. By 2027, AI-integrated firmware is projected to elevate stability to 98% nationwide, significantly reducing support calls. Keep an eye out for eco-friendly firmware updates that reduce power consumption during idle times. In the meantime, ensure user education and monitoring via apps like Spectrum's are used for real-time signal strength and interference alerts to ensure long-term reliability.